Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to help you fix the Boku payment option for Valorant. Now, while Boku might have been a payment option for Valorant in the past, it is currently listed as an unavailable payment method according to Valorant's official support page as of April 23, 2025. Therefore, the simplest and most verified guide to fix Boku being disabled is that you can now directly fix it because it is not an active payment option. Here's what you need to know and what you can do. You see, why has Boku been disabled? 1. Riot Games periodically reviews and updates its supported payment methods, so Boku may have been removed due to various reasons such as regional limitations, changes in Boku services, or Riot Games strategic decisions. So what can you do? You can check available payment methods. That's right, the most reliable way to purchase Valorant Point VP is to use the payment methods currently available in your region, so consider alternative payment methods. And next, check server status. Next, restart the Riot client. Then contact player support. In summary, since Boku is currently unavailable, you will need to use one of the other active payment methods offered within the Valorant game client for your region to purchase VP in 2025.